Part C of Geek should sound like this. Okay, we're going to take it step by step. Remember the palm meeting, which I'm sure you heard there. We're starting at fret number 7 on the 5th string, and it makes use of octaves, and the octave of this note is simply 2 strings down, 2 frets across. So 2 down, 2 across, and that will give the octave, which is the same note name. So if this is E, that is E. Quick theory lesson involved over here. And we're going to go 7, 7 onto the octave. Then you move down 2 frets, which happens to be a D going to its octave. And then the last bar of page 6 is going to be finger 1 at fret 4 on string 5. And it's going to go simple as that. Okay, so if you take the whole thing down and include the last O to O, open to O, the last 3 notes, and you put those last, or the first 2 bars of part C together, we're going to have this in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make sure you've got the silent gaps in between. Now on the next page, it starts off with a similar theme, but you'll notice the 5 is no longer here. So it goes, and it's over here on the 4th string where the previous one was. That was the first one. Now we have. So watch it for the string change. And you're going to have a double, so it doesn't go to the octave. And then the next bar is going to bring ring finger, and notice my fingers are numbered. And there's a little sort of a forward slash and a reverse slash. That means a slide from fret 7 to fret 9 and back. So you'll see my hand slides. So you pick one, but you get 3 notes. And then after that, you jump down to a 4, 5, 4, and that's the easy part. So let's put the first 2 bars of the next page together. It's going to sound like this. And there you have it. Okay. Now after that, you can have another repeat of the octave, and then you go to the next line. Now whenever you're learning a new piece, try and find what is similar, or the same rather, and what is slightly different. So if you look at the next bar, you'll notice that whole, which we actually have done. So there's nothing really new there. And then it changes a bit and it goes 202. Now you're looking at the second bar, which would be bar 17. And you'll notice a very small 2 sliding up to the 4. First you got the 202, the rest, and a quick slide over there. And then you're going to have a nice little phrase where you need to bring your pinky in. So please use the pinky. And it's going to go 7, 4, 5, 7. It says like that. And when you're playing that phrase, you'll notice over there that my hand doesn't really move. I've got the pinky in fret 7. First finger has to be by fret number 4. Middle finger goes to fret number 5. And you got that phrase there, finishing it with a 5-4, which must be vibrato. Remember that little wavy thing means vibrato, so you're going to have, and that's the end of the next phrase. Part D you'll see on the next video. Catch you there.